At first, this skin may look normal, but when we move closer, when we observe pore by pore, the story becomes clearer. Small blackheads rest in the pores, tiny bumps, clogged areas. The kind of texture that makes you reach for your phone and search for answers at midnight. If you've woken up to new pimples on your chin, or noticed your reflection looking tired and congested, you're not alone. That feeling, that frustration of trying everything, but still seeing breakouts, we're going to address that today. What we see as a blemish or blackhead is actually a simple story. Excess oil lives in your pores. Dead skin cells don't shed completely. Small particles settle, the skin becomes congested, the pores feel trapped, and over time, texture builds. But here's the good news, Korean skincare teaches us something beautiful. That clearer skin comes not from harsh treatment, but from patient, gentle, consistent care. Today we're going to walk through a complete routine, pore by pore, step by step. We'll focus on deep cleansing, calming the skin, and supporting those small congested areas. And over time, with repetition, you'll notice the texture becoming smoother, the pores looking cleaner, and your skin feeling lighter and more balanced. Are you ready? Let's begin. Step by step, step 1. Gentle first cleans. We start with the gentle cleanser, not harsh, not stripping, just kind. Watch as it glides across the skin, soft, smooth. The cleanser is dissolving surface oil, lifting away the day's dirt and makeup. Notice how the skin is becoming softer already, how the surface feels lighter. Work this gently across your entire face, your forehead, your cheeks, your chin, and jawline. Pay special attention to the areas where you see the most congestion. Blackheads often gather around the nose and chin. Take your time there, but keep your touch gentle. Always rinse with cool water. Notice how refreshing it feels, how clean the skin already looks. Step 2, deep cleansing layer now. We add a second cleanse. This is a Korean skincare essential. This cleanse is different, it's deeper. It's designed to reach into the pores and gently prepare them for the steps ahead. Apply this treatment slowly. Let it sit on your skin for a moment. Feel the cleanse working. It's softening the buildup inside the pores, it's preparing the skin, it's getting everything ready for the transformation ahead. Massage this gently in slow upward circles, from your jawline toward your temples, from your chin toward your forehead. Smooth, intentional, caring. Rinse thoroughly. Pat your skin dry with a soft cloth. Notice how prepared your skin feels now. Notice the difference. Step 3, warm steam preparation. This step is my favorite, and you'll understand why in just a moment. Warm steam, not hot, just warm, gentle. Feel the warmth touching your skin. The heat is opening the pores, softening the stubborn buildup inside, making everything feel ready. The steam is like a calm whisper to your skin. It's saying, relax, I'm here to help. Let the warmth sit on your face for 30 seconds. Breathe deeply. This isn't just skincare, this is a moment for you. Your pores are softening now. The congestion is becoming less stubborn. The path is being cleared. Close your eyes if you can. Feel the comfort, feel the care. Step 4, smart exfoliation now. We introduce gentle exfoliation. Exfoliation simply means removing dead skin cells. And yes, that's where a lot of congestion hides, inside those dead cells, trapped in your pores, making the blackheads more visible. But we don't scrub, we don't aggravate, we gently encourage the dead cells to leave. Apply this treatment to damp skin, use your fingertips. Let them move in slow, circular motions. Across your forehead, down your cheeks, around your nose, especially around your nose. Notice how the skin is already feeling smoother. Notice the texture beginning to shift. Keep this gentle. Always gentle. Aggressive exfoliation creates irritation, and irritation creates more breakouts. We're not doing that today. Rinse with cool water. Your skin is now more receptive, more open, more ready for the targeted care ahead. Step 5, targeted pimple and blackhead care, and now, the most important moment arrives. This is a targeted treatment. It's specifically designed to address the areas where blackheads love to hide. Around the nose, along the chin, anywhere you see that tiny congestion. Inside this treatment is salicylic acid, a gentle exfoliating acid. It works patiently, it doesn't rush. It simply encourages your skin to shed dead cells more efficiently, which means fewer clogs, which means fewer blackheads. Apply this slowly, take your time, you're not rushing through this moment, you're investing in your skin. Let this treatment sit, work, do its job. For pimples and acne-prone spots, think of this as a calming support, not an attack, not an aggressive extraction, just support. Your skin is becoming clearer already. You may not see it perfectly yet, but the work is happening beneath the surface. Step 6, satisfying pore cleansing, and now, the most satisfying part begins. As we apply our next treatment, watch what happens. The pores are visibly opening. The congestion is slowly becoming less visible. Stubborn buildup, the kind that's been sitting there for weeks, is softening. The skin around your nose, where blackheads love to gather, is becoming cleaner, pore by pore. The texture is shifting. The rough areas are smoothing. The buildup is clearing. Not instantly, but noticeably, gradually. This is Korean skincare philosophy in action. Patience, consistency, gentle care compounds into real results. Your skin is becoming lighter, fresher, more balanced. Notice how your face looks calmer, more at ease. The redness is reducing, the irritation is settling. Your skin is responding to kindness. Step 7. Soothing toner and calming care. Now we calm everything down. After all that deep cleansing and targeted care, Your skin needs a moment to find its balance again. This toner is specifically Korean inspired. It's not harsh, it's not drying, it's soothing. Apply it to a soft cotton pad. Gently, slowly, press it against your skin. Don't drag, just press and let it absorb. Watch the redness fade. Watch the inflammation calm down. Your skin is breathing easier now. The barrier is being supported. The pH is finding its balance. This is the gentle follow-up your skin needs after deeper treatments. Your skin feels comfortable, calm, cared for. Step 8. Lightweight hydration, finally, hydration, and not heavy hydration. Korean skincare teaches us that hydration doesn't mean thick or oily. It means lightweight, nourishing, breathable. This moisturizer is absorbing instantly. Watch how quickly it sinks into the skin. There's no residue, no heaviness, just balance. Massage this gently across your entire face, your forehead, your cheeks, around your eyes, your chin. As this moisturizer settles, notice the transformation. Your skin looks smoother, cleaner, fresher. The pores look refined. The texture looks even. Most importantly, your skin feels comfortable, supported, strong. If this is your morning routine, we would finish with sunscreen. Daily protection prevents dark marks and future congestion. It's the final layer of care. The consistency message, I want to tell you something important. Clearer skin is not built in one night. The perfect reflection doesn't arrive tomorrow. But transformation, real transformation, happens through gentleness and repetition. Do this routine consistently, 3, 4, 5 times a week. Your skin will respond, the pores will become cleaner, the texture will smooth. The breakouts will reduce, the glow will return. But you have to be patient with yourself. Just like in Korean skincare philosophy, beauty is a journey, not a destination. Morning vs. Night matinee. Here's how to build your complete routine. In the morning, gentle cleanse, targeted treatment if you have active breakouts, lightweight moisturizer, sunscreen. In the evening, first cleanse, deep cleanse, warm steam if you have time, gentle exfoliation on select days, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, targeted treatment on congested areas, soothing toner. Moisturizer. This is your roadmap to clearer skin. Thank you for watching.